Hi guys, in this video we will be making whatever you see on screen. So let's get started. First thing, open up Blender, delete the light, go into side view, or press 3 on numpad, move the cube up onto the floor, and add a plane. Press S, scale it up, name the plane into ground plane if you want to, not ground plane. And now what you can do is just go period and set your pivot point into 3D cursor. Tab into edit mode and SZ. So this is going to be the thickness of your book. Maybe that much might be good. SY. And that thing might be good. Okay. Change it to face select. Select these three. Press I. Make the pages of your book. I think that much might be good. Press E. Press S and scale it down. Press, oh no, don't press anything. Press 2 on your number row to go into edge select. And move these using GUI. Press 0 on numpad to see how it's looking in camera. Looks pretty good. So select the camera, go into camera properties, select this, change the focal length into 1/10 or maybe 1/30. Yeah, just set it to 1. Okay, so looks pretty good. Go into render properties, set this to cycles, change CPU to GPU compute, and let's go into edit, preferences, system, and change it to optics. And then now you can just go into the select the whatever it's called. Oh yeah, the book that you made. Go to object, set origin to geometry, or just press F3, origin to geometry. Not geometry to origin, origin to geometry. Okay, then now go into render view, and it looks pretty bad. So go into side view, over here on numpad. Duplicate the ground plane, set the pivot. Yeah. So set the pivot point back to median point. So set the pivot point to median point. Scale it down. If you watched our Goldman Blender video, then you would know what I'm doing right now. So go into camera view and move the light a little down if you want to. Make sure it's not in the frame. And go into the material, set principal BSDF into emission. Set this into 20, and if you don't think that's good, set it to 700. Yeah. But move it up. Oh no, not 700. 300. And yeah, just move it up. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Go into the select the book actually, and go into face select or press 3 on number row. Select the pages, press assign, add new material, put your mouse on the viewport, Control I, and press new. And online, I saw most books having yellow color covers, so set that to yellow, press assign, might look a bit weird, but press tab 0, and there you go. So what you can actually do is set this into 50 something. Just set that to 20. Oh yeah, I see. Go to here, put this into glossy, and make that 0.265. And set the lighting a little bit up. So something like You might want to play around with the lighting. Actually, I'm just going to set it to 400. Select the camera and okay. Select the camera and the cube. I can move this into it. Select the camera and the book, and G-Shift-Z. Move these down. You know, don't do that. G-Shift-Z. Move these down. Play around with where you place the lamp. Just get a good point. Move this into rotate this. Move the camera a little up. X. Easy. Let's open the next one. So press F12 and start rendering it like this. Might take a few minutes. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's our book. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and bye. Don't forget to subscribe.